Follow me for a day in my life as a chef and content creator in Montreal. Last year, I decided I was going to live from my passion for cooking. It was not an easy route, and I knew I had so much to learn. But now I can say that I made it happen. For me, food and cooking is about sharing and continuously learning and improving my skills in the kitchen. With various cooking programs offered in public schools in Montreal, there's really something for everyone that wants to learn about the food and service industry.
So good.
From professional bread making, retail butchery, or market fresh cooking, you can sharpen your skill set or literally start with a little knowledge in the cooking world. Programs vary from 1 year to 5 months. I always wanted to share my passion for cooking with as many people as I can. It's a tangible, flexible, and fast-track path that lets you do what you love and make a living from your passions.
So good.
I honestly wish I knew about those programs when I started. There's really something for everyone interested in the cooking and service industry. And I can do it now with my catering events, multiple cooking videos, and so many recipes shared through my newsletter. Check out MTL VT's website to learn more about your next career path.